and welcome to Road Rush Nation. I'm Terry, your host, and in this episode we're going to share with you the Wall of Death. If you have ever been to a motorcycle rally, you will see and experience some unusual entertainment. We chose to go to the Harley-Davidson National Rally in Milwaukee. Talk about experiencing motorcycle history and entertainment. They had this great daredevil group called the Wall of Death. You've probably seen this in movies where they ride a motorcycle up a wooden wall. I will tell you, it's worth seeing in person if you ever get the chance. It's crazy. Before their performance, to bring the audience in, they have this guy riding a bike on just these rolling bars. Not something I would try. I'll just leave that to the professionals. So let's go check out the Wall of Death. But first, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the fun here at Road Rush Nation. Thanks, and let's get to it. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next episode. Take care, ride safe, and enjoy life. Remember, life's too short, so let's go ride.